Hi everybody, it's Charlie with Panel Armor Products coming to you again from our sheet metal reconditioning facility here in Orlando, Florida. First off, I wanted to thank each and every one of you that's been a customer of ours over the past couple of months. We're getting new customers every single day, and the old customers that we've had for up to 7 years, thank you for purchasing our products. We had a really good show at the URG show. Our products are out there now in the industry, and it's nice to see the industry starting to do something with their sheet metal to try to protect them. Tens of millions of dollars go out every month, folks, to the body shops to repair your products. Let's try to keep these panels protected, keep the damage to a minimum, and put some of that money back in your pocket. I'm here today to talk to you again about our Panel Armor products. Again, we have a 48-inch panel armor, our standard version. What I'd like to do today is give you some alternatives on how to attach these. As you know, we've been using the poly banding. A couple of alternatives that we have. We have a commercial glue gun. We also can glue the edges together, as well as a plier stapler can also glue the edges together once you make your box for your protection. So I'll go ahead and throw this up here, and I'm going to show you the third alternative. Go ahead and create your box again, bend it over on your edge, real simple. Come over to the other side, bend it over on your edge, cut your bottoms. I'm going to use a simple tape gun. Every yard has one of these. So we know that this is going to affect just about everybody. Go ahead and create your box and simply use your tape gun. One, come over to the other side. Again, create your box. Tape gun. You want to do 2 pieces on each side to give it a little bit of extra strength. Wrap your edges around. Now from here, what we've been doing, as some of you know, we invented these products and we use these products on our sheet metal reconditioning, in our sheet metal reconditioning process. These panels that have been reconditioned have to make it to the customer in the same condition that they leave our facility. So what we've been doing after we put the panel armor on is we're actually taking and we're using stretch wrap. Again, something that's in everybody's yard. As you look over here, you can see a batch of panels that are ready to go back to the shops that will be distributing them. As you can see, we haven't used any banding on these, and all we've done is attach the stretch wrap to the top. Makes it all one package, keeps everything neat. So if you have any questions, contact us. Check out all our products on panelarmorproducts.com.